Welcome to our educational channel. In this video, according to the quantitative aptitude, let us see the chapter problems based on ages. So in this topic, let me explain three simple points first, then we'll go for the problems. Next, we'll see how the questions will come in examination point of view, and we'll see one by one. First, the general property on based on ages is if the present age of A is a person is X years, then age of A n years ago. So before n years is x minus n. Okay, the present age if it is 10 years, then what is the age before 3 years ago? That means 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7 years. So like this we can take the statement. And age of A after n years. So after n years is x plus n. So the x is the fixed. Before means you have to subtract. Afterwards means you have to add. That's it. X minus n years ago. And after n years is x plus n. Sometimes they will give the word hence also. Hence also just after. So from the particular age to next, continuation or later or after. Hence this all word come under plus. And next one. The present age of A and B are x and y years respectively. Okay, the A, B are x and y. Then if the age of A is 3 times the age of B, age of A, so age of A is x, then the linear equation will be as follows. So from the statement only we can make the linear equation. Age of A is x, right? E is 3 times the E's word, that is equals to 3 times the B. So 3y, x is equal to 3y, or we can write this is x minus 3y is equal to 0 also. Either this or this. X is equal to 3y or x minus 3y is equal to 0. Just basic properties you remember first. And 3 times, if it is 2 times 2y. Okay, just to the sentence, what are the sentence, you have to convert into mathematical sentence type. So linear equations type we need to convert for the doing the problems. And next one, 3 consecutive odd or even numbers, x comma x plus 2 and x plus 4. This is one set we can take, or x minus 2 x or x plus 2, where x is even or odd. Anything according to the requirement you can take. Sometimes to find out only single value you can take this directly. So even number or odd number. Even or odd, just adding 2. If 3 is a number, the next number of odd is plus 2. Okay, 5. Next again plus 2, 7. So this, in this way we can, by adding the plus 2 will come. Even minus 2 also. For example, x place, let me take this is a 9. X minus 2, x plus 2. Then this is 11 and it's 7. In case of the x is itself is a 8, even number. Then next is 8 plus 2, 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. Same we will apply for even or odd. For the both number system, we can use this, either x plus 2 and x plus 4, or else in this way, x minus 2 comma x and x plus 2. So let us see the problems now using these three statements, how to apply in the problems based on ages. How the questions will come in examination point of view, how to understand those all, we'll see now, question wise. Now let us see the problems here. The first one, Arun is as older than Anil, as he is younger than the Bhushan. This one single statement we need to understand clearly. And if the sum of the ages of Anil and Bhushan is 58 years, then what is the age of Arun? This is about the ages. So Arun, Anil and Bhushan. So let us take age of Arun be x years. To make it clearly, let me take some x, y, z. So age of the Arun be x years, and same age of Anil be, let take y years, and age of Bhushan let be z years. Let me take this x, y, z. Right now, Arun is as older than Anil as is younger than Bhushan. That means Arun age minus Anil, because Arun is older than Anil. Whatever the answer is coming, that means x minus y from the equation. Arun is older than Anil. So Arun is older compared to the Anil. So Arun age minus Anil age as he is younger than the Bhushan. Same, Bhushan minus again is only. That means Z minus again X. Z minus again X we take. Same as it is. Arun is as older than Anil is as is younger than the Bhushan. This is a statement. X minus Y is equal to Z minus X. Right. From this take the values one side. X take LHS. X plus X is equal to Y plus Z. Okay. This minus Y right side and minus X is LHS. Then 2x is equal to y plus z. Actually y and z is Anil and Bhushan. But see the statement. Sum of the ages of Anil and Bhushan is 58 years. Okay, 58 years. That is Anil and Bhushan. That means x plus z. Anil and Bhushan, y plus z. Y plus z is 58. So this value is 58. That is equal to 2x. Yes, from this you can find out the x value. Then x is equals to 58 divided by 2. X is equal to 58 divided by 2 is 29 years. So 29 years is the Arun's age. So what is the age of Arun? Arun's age is 29 years. Okay. This is only the trick, but statement we need to understand clearly first of all. From the statement if you can understand clearly, then converting into mathematical notation is easy in this way. You can apply and do it. Let's have a few more problems to get more idea. In this question, the ratio of two numbers is 3:7 if 6 is added. The 6 is added to each number, then the ratio becomes 5:9. What are these numbers? So first the numbers are in the ratio 3:7, right? So let us take the numbers now. So let the numbers be, any question is given in this ratio, then let numbers be, ratio is 3:7. So let numbers be 3x, numbers be 3x and 7x. Okay, according to x you can get the number. Ratio is 3:7. So let the numbers be 3x and 7x. Now if 6 is added to each of the number, then so according to question, if 6 is added, so 3x plus 6 and 7x plus 6. If added this both, what happened? These two numbers ratio is equals to, according to the question, 5:9. 5:9. Yeah, statement you can write clearly like this. This is from the given. Okay, when 6 is added, the ratio becomes 5:9. Right? Now, A is to B, we can write A by B. Both are same. A by B is nothing but A is to B. This is in ratio and this is a fraction notation. We can convert. Now 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6 by 7x plus 6. This is a 5 divided by 9. Just you can do cross multiplication and find out x value. You substitute in the place of 3x and 7x, we'll get the numbers. This is the procedure. Let us take the cross multiplication. So 9 into this. 9 into 3x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 7x plus 6. Okay, entire cross multiplication. 9 into 3. 27x plus 9 6 54 equals to, again 5 into 7, 35x plus 5 6 30. Take the x terms one side and find out. Take the x terms one side. That is 35x. Okay, let me take 35x. This minus 27x. Take this side. And 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 is 24. 24 is equals to 8x. Then x is equals to 24 divided by 8. X is equal to 3. X we got the value 3. Then the numbers is according to question 3x and 7x. Okay, therefore the numbers. So required numbers are 3x and one more is 7x. So 3x, 3 into 3, 9. 7x, 7 into 3. 7 into x value is 3, again 21. So 9, 21 are the numbers, required numbers, right? In this question, 6 years ago, the ratio in the ages of Kamal and Suresh was 6:5. same like previous problem, but this 6 years ago ratio is given. 6 years before, the ratio of the ages of Kamal and Suresh was 6:5, and after 4 years the ratio of their ages will be 11:10. But present age of the Suresh we need to find out. So we can do in two ways this problem, but let me show you a simple way. First, 6 years ago only, let us take this ratio value. So 6 years ago, 6 years ago, let us take Kamal age. Okay, let us take Kamal's age is, let it be 6x, okay, and Suresh age. Suresh age is, let it be 5x, because ratio is 6:5. 6 years ago condition is this. Now present, so present age. Present age when you come to the Kamals, 6 years ago is 6x, no? So present means for that 6x plus 6 we should add, because 6 years ago if it is a 30 years, now 36, right? Like that. So present age of the Suresh again now. So Suresh is previous 6 years ago 5x, now plus 6. Okay, this is the present age. Now if you find out this value is enough our problem. 5x plus 6 value we need to find out, because the present age of the Suresh only they asked. But one more condition is after 4 years. This is present age. Now after 4 years. After 4 years again Kamal. So age is, present is 6x plus 6. After 4 years is 6x plus 6 plus 4. Right? That is 6x plus 10. Now similarly after 4 years Suresh age is, previous is 5x plus 6. For that again add 4. So 5x plus 10. So this is after 4 years their ages. But after 4 years ratio is given 11:10. So this 6x plus 10 and 5x plus 10 is equals to 11:10, the ratio. Right? Now we can make the problem will be clear. So 6x plus 10 is the after 4 years compared to the previous, and 5x plus 10. This is equals to 11:10. From this statement we'll find out x value. We'll substitute in this. We'll get the present age of the Suresh. X value if you know. Yes. Like we are same like previous problem. We can take 6x plus 10 divided by 5x plus 10 is equals to 11 by 10. Don't cut this 11, 10, 10 because the plus symbol, not into. We should do only the cross multiplication. 10 into 6x. 10 into 6x plus 10 is equals to 11 into 5x plus 10. Simplify now. 6 into 10 into 6x. 60x plus 100, and 11 into 5. 55x plus 110. Take x terms one side. 60x minus 55x. 110, 100 take right, minus 100. 60 minus 55. So 5x is equals to 10. So from this x is equals to 2. We got x value now. But according to that Suresh present age is 5x plus 6, right? Okay, 5x plus 6 is this. Okay, therefore already x value got, x is equal to 2. Now you can find out the present age. Present age of Suresh. That is equal to 5x plus 6. X value is already, how much you got? 2 we got. So 5 into 2 plus 6. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16 years. Right? 16 years is the present age of the Suresh. Last Kamal's age also you can find out, because once you already got the x value. Okay, in this way we can solve directly to finding. And few more problems about the digits and interchanging the digits. Those type of questions also we will see two sums. So when you see some questions based on the digits, here is the difference between a number of 2 digits and the number obtained by interchanging its digit is 18. right? Two conditions: the difference between a number of two digits and the number obtained by interchanging a digit is 18. How much is the difference between the both digits of the number? So if you take any two digit number, for example, how to take the condition, how to take the statement, I'll explain it small example. Let us take 23 is one number, but 23 if we write in this 3 is units place, 2 is in tens place. So if you expand this, 10 into tens place digit plus 3 into units 1 into ones place digit. Actually this is if you expand, 23 is nothing but 10 into tens place digit, okay, and 1 into units place digit, same. Now if you take for example, in the place of 2 1, in the place of 2 and 3, this is units place, this is tens place. So let tens place, in tens place digit be, okay, let me take a, tens place digit will be a, and units place, the units place digit b, let us take the b, okay, tens place is a and units place is b. Then the number we can write, so the number is, because if you take like AB, we should not write AB like this. In algebra, actually AB is nothing but it's A into B. But this we can't use out. So when you take the variables and converting to numbers, this is the procedure. So 23, not only 23, other example see. If you see 46, 4 is in tens place, 6 is in units place. Yeah, how to write? 10 into 4 plus just you will write 6, because 6 into 1 is 6 only. Okay, no need of writing into 1 again. Similarly, tens digit is A and units place is B. How you can write the number? 10A plus B. Okay, this is the number now. 10A plus B is the number. And reverse number on interchanging. On interchanging, how it will become? On interchanging the digits. Only digits only are interchange. Interchanging the digits, the number is. In this case, the number, if you observe, 46 reverse is 64. That means in the place of these both, we'll write 6 and 4. Same. 10 into 6 plus 4. So 10A plus B is this is. So if you interchange the digits, 10B plus A. Okay. This is the number. This is the interchanging number. Now according to the condition, the difference between the numbers of two digits and obtaining the interchanging digits is 18. Difference between. Difference means subtracting. Okay, then condition is 10A plus B, this number, minus 10B plus A. By interchanging these both, difference is 18. We need to find out A minus B value, because the difference between the digits they asked. How much is the difference between the digits? If you can calculate this, you'll get the answer. Right? You can take this 10A plus B minus 10B minus A is equals to 18. And 10A minus A is 9A plus B minus 10B is minus 9B is equals to 18. Take 9 common, A minus B is equals to 18. Then A minus B is equals to 18 divided by 9, that is equals to 2. Okay, difference between the digits is 2 we got, right? And this is the one way. And one shortcut way I'll explain for this short method. This previous method you can do, or else short method is directly the any question is like this, x by 9 is only answer, x is the difference, so 18 by 9 is equals to 2, that will get 2 answer, because any two digit number you take and interchange and subtract, you will get that answer is multiple of 9. Okay, any number you can take. Previous example like 46 reverse is 64, from 64 that 46 you subtract 14 minus 6, again it is 8, 5, 18. So the difference between any two digit numbers, interchanging and subtract, the result is a multiple of 9. So if you divide with 9, exactly 9 ones are 9 twos are. So 2 is the difference of the digits. Indirectly, whatever answer you get, that is the difference between the digits. Okay, short trick also remember. At the same time, know the procedure, how to make the digits, because few more sums also we will see now. Similar, one more question we can see here. In a number of two digit number it is, both digits are interchanged. Two conditions. So if the sum of the number and the number obtained by interchanging, the number and interchanging number, its digit is 44. So if you add the both numbers, that is a 44. And what is the sum of its digits? So a plus b we should find out. So if let tens place, okay, tens digit, in tens place digit is be a, and units, so units place digit, let it be b. Then number is, both we should take, so number and interchanging number. First the number obtained, number is 10a plus b, this is one, and the number obtained by interchanging, same, because reverse it is. So number obtained by interchanging its both the digits, interchanging the digits, according to that, interchanging its both the digits is, that means if it's 10a plus b, there is a 10b plus a, right? These are the two ones. So one is 10a plus b, one is 10b plus a. Now according to this, the sum of the SUM, no, we should add this. Then according to the condition, if we add 10a plus b plus, this is the number 10a plus b, interchanging its digit number is 10b plus a. Now that's answer is, the sum is 44. According to the question, they give the 44. Now using this statement only, we need to find out what is the sum of its digits. Sum of its digits means only if you find a plus b is enough. So first you will calculate this, 10a plus a, so 11a plus b plus 10b, so 11b is equals to 44. 11 we can take common, a plus b is equals to 44, and same from this, a plus b is equals to 44 divided by 11, then a plus b is equals to 4, right? In this way, a plus b is the 4. So a plus, that answer you got, sum of the digits is 4. The two digits if you add, 4 will get. Okay, that may be anyway, maybe it's 13 or even 31, 22. These are the chances. Okay, even we can take 40 is also 4 plus 0. So whatever it is, the sum of the digits is 4 according to this condition. And by sum of the number and interchanging is 44 they said. That means indirectly it is 40 only. 40 number and interchanging is 4. But two digits, no, it's not. That means 22. 22 and interchanging also 22. 44 is the sum. So the number is 22 only. Even interchanging also 22. 40 if you take, 40 interchanging is 04. Okay, that is not a two digit number. Okay, but according to our problem, they ask only sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is 4, right? Right. In this way we can use. The main thing is taking the number is important. Then according to that we can do the similar sums. So mostly you can find out the problems like this in problems based on the ages also, and problems on some numbers digits. So few more problems are available in our channel in same quantitative aptitude. One more content is available in this. You search in our channel about this problems based on ages. You can see some more detailed information if you want more problems than this.